Hi everyone, it's Dr. Gina Joe, or Dr. Gina Jefferson, Professor of Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgery. Recently, I posted a video to empower women to pursue surgical careers, specifically in otolaryngology, head and neck surgery. Shortly after I posted the video, I ran into a medical student, a young mother who asked me to share some specific methods for how someone like her could successfully navigate a career as a surgeon and mother. So here are my 3 tips in this endeavor. Full disclosure, I do not have any children. I just have a 4-legged dog named Bella. Tip number 1, I highly recommend using some form of a personal organizer or planner. Whatever personal organizing or planning tool you use should at least include a means to quarterly assess and document goals you wish to achieve, at least for a year. My friend and colleague at PedsOtodoc has content on her channel on how to organize your life. But my personal preference is on Saturday morning to grab a cup of coffee, sit in silence with my personal and work calendars, and to organize everything into my personal planner. I also schedule in my workout time, my phone calls to my sister who lives 2 time zones away. I schedule time to work on specific projects. I even schedule time with my husband. All that being said, I find it highly useful to schedule my time so that I can best accomplish as much as I can successfully on my plate. Tip number 2, know your limitations. Do not overextend yourself. Whether in academic medicine or in private practice, we are often asked to participate in activities to aid our hospital system or to help with projects of national societies and organizations to which we belong. As surgeons, we are also often compelled to engage in the communities that we serve. All of these activities are indeed important. But in order to make meaningful contributions, we have to ensure that we have the adequate time needed. This requires prioritization and alignment of our activities chosen with our own personal mission and values. Tip number 3. It is important for us to develop and to continue to cultivate personal insight. Our experiences inform our self-awareness. Self-awareness allows us to take note of our strengths and our weaknesses. It is important for us to recognize and, when necessary, to even acknowledge when we do not know something. And of course, to go out and find the answer. If you find my tips helpful, share them with your friends and continue to follow me at Dr. Gina Joe on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn.